Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here is Abdul, and as you can see, we have again one of my favorite brands to unbox, the Citizen. And we have here an EcoDrive Citizen with the reference number AW1640-83H. So the price is $199 on Amazon. It's $149. It's a 2022 or 2020 actually model, but I thought it's really interesting. I unboxed one very similar model to this one before, but I like this colorway more than the one I unboxed before, so I thought why not to get it. And as you can see, we have the backside, so I have a bracelet, metal bracelet, and here we have the Citizen for today. So this is, like I said, the AW1640-83H. It's a titanium Citizen EcoDrive with the EcoDrive caliber J810, which has 240 days of power reserve. So the watch is 41.5 in diameter. If we look lug to lug, we have 50 millimeters lug to lug. Lug width is 20. I think so. No, actually 22. Yeah, 22. And thickness, including the crystal, is 9 millimeters, and with a total weight of 82 grams and only 5 bars, so 50 meters of water resistant. Take this paper out. As you can see here, a couple of info about the watch, and it's really light, I have to say. I'm wearing my Anordain in teal. Put this away and put this on my 17 centimeter wrist. As we can see, flat on the wrist, looks quite nice. I really like these indices as well, how they look, and has a bit plume on the hands, on the second step, and on the 12, 3, 6, and 9 indices, as we can see here. Crown is good to handle. Does change the date, let's see. So we were in the 12 o'clock. Anyways, it changes the date at 12, as we will see now. Does it change it on the 12? No, it changed it beforehand. So when you get to 12, it does click. Small date window, a small bordering around, if you can see it, and minute chapter, and we have a polished bezel finish, while the case has a chamfer on the side, very thin profile, which I really like, and I think on another strap it will look quite nice, because you know me, I don't use these bracelets, even though the bracelet does look okay, pin buckle system, but very rattly, as you can hear. And I think I'll put it on a strap and come back to you. So it turned out to be that the lug width actually is 23 millimeters. So I thought it's 22. I thought actually it's 20 at first. Then I measured it to be around 22. I thought it was 22. And as you can see, I have it here on a 24 millimeter wide paratrooper strap. And it does look quite nice. I'll wear it for a couple of days. Maybe I'll do a quick 1-minute watch review on it to cover all the points that needs to be covered for a review. Don't think I will need a full review video for that watch. But anyways, if you have any questions about this watch or any other watch, leave them in the comment section. And as always, this is an invitation to like, subscribe, hit the bell button, share the video. Everything helps. Your support is always appreciated. And of course, if you have any suggestions on what to do better lighting, better camera, better watches even, I would always like to hear what you think in the comment section. So please do write down there what you think. Anyways, thanks again for watching, and hopefully see you in this one. And don't forget, subscribe button will be here, and you will have 2 videos on the left and on the right that might interest you as well. See you in the next one. Bye bye everybody.